Yesterday, I received a phone call from a client about conduct that was happening at work from a supervisor. The supervisor had made comments about the fact that she looked good in what she was wearing, and that his wife wouldn't look as good as what this client looked like in her outfit. And the comments made her feel uncomfortable. It was unwanted. This client said that she was just there to work, and that's all that she ever wanted to do, and that she felt that it was inappropriate. Sometimes as an attorney, I have tough conversations with employees as to whether or not conduct like that is unlawful. And under California law, much like federal law, the court is going to say that before somebody could bring a lawsuit for a hostile work environment, they have to show that it was severe and pervasive, or severe or pervasive. Sometimes courts will say that limited comments don't rise to the level of severe and pervasive. And so sometimes it's difficult as to whether or not one or two comments is enough to protect an employee. But it was also important to note that while you might not meet the definition of a hostile work environment, it is important to note that if you do complain about that conduct to human resources or to another manager or to the manager that made the comments themselves, that you're protected. That while you might not ever meet that definition of a hostile work environment, that because the comments were inappropriate and arguably sexual in nature, or that you should be able to make those complaints without fear of retaliation. And that if you are retaliated against after complaining about conduct that was sexual in nature or racist in nature or comments regarding your disability, that the employer can't retaliate against you, and that if they do, that they would be liable for any damage that would cause. And so a lot of times, people call us about just general advice, or they'll contact a law firm about general advice as to, is this sexual harassment? And even if not, what's my next step? How can I get it to stop? Because I don't want to have a claim, I just want to work. If you have questions as to whether or not you've been subjected to harassment at work, or what the next step should be, or if you've already taken the next step and as a result you've been retaliated against, I'd encourage you to talk to a law firm. You're more than welcome to give us a call here at the firm, and I'm happy to walk you through any questions that you may have on this issue or any other issue. Thank you.